Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope so that you all will be fine. As you know that we are on chapter number 7. The title of this chapter is Clever Mirchu and we have completed its reading with translation. Today we are going to start its exercise that is a comprehension and we are going to do its vocabulary. Now let's move towards that. Now look here students, this is page number 42. And here glossary is given. Glossary means the difficult words vocabulary, and you are going to do the meanings of this one. The first one word is anxiety. Anxiety mean worry, and its Urdu meaning is परेशानी, परेशान होना. On end, इख्तिताम पर, at a stretch. Lonesome mean वीरान, तन्हा, lonely. बिफोर लॉन्ग, फ़ौरन मतलब ज़्यादा टाइम से पहले ही, थोड़े ही वक्त में. अर्ली, आफ्टर अ शॉर्ट वाइल, थोड़ी ही देर के बाद. अर्ली मीन जल्दी. वोर ऑन मीन गुजर गई. पास्ट ग्रेजुअली, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता गुजर गया. ट्वाइलाइट, ट्वाइलाइट मीन सफ़ेदी, सफ़ेद. फेंट, हाफ लाइट बिफोर सनराइज और आफ्टर सनसेट, तुलुए आफ्ताब से पहले या गुरूब आफ्ताब के बाद की रोशनी. स्नीक, चुपचाप. टू गो अवे क्वाइटली, खामोशी के साथ गुजर जाना. ट्रेल, सिलसिला. द लाइन, पाथ, लाइन या राह, रास्ता. वैनिश, गायब हो जाना. डिसअपियर, गायब हो जाना. सोब, सिसकियों से रोना. टू क्राई नॉइजीली, शोर के साथ या जोर जोर के साथ चीखना या रोना. फीस्ट, फीस्ट मीन दावत. अ स्प्लेंडेड मील, एक शानदार खाना. बोथ आर सिमिलर. फेमाइन, कहत. एक्सट्रीम शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड इन अ रीजन, किसी भी इलाके में ग़िज़ाई अशिया की शदीद किल्लत. हर्थ, चूल्हा. अ ब्रिक स्टोन टू अ फायर प्लेस और ओवन, ईंट पत्थर का चूल्हा या तंदूर. नोडेड, इशारा करना. टू मूव द हेड अप एंड डाउन एज टू इंडिकेट एग्रीमेंट, अपने सर को ऊपर नीचे हिलाना रजामंदी जाहिर करने के लिए. शडर, कपकपाना. टू शेक विद फियर, खौफ के साथ कपकपाना, हिलना. डेट, कर्ज. अ सम ऑफ मनी ओव्ड टू समबॉडी, रकम जो किसी की अदा करनी हो. Okay students, now look at the activities and the A part is answer the following questions. The number one question is, why were the woodcutters children always hungry? लकड़हारे के बच्चे हमेशा भूखे क्यों रहते थे? As we have read in the translation that they were growing very fast and their parents could not give them enough food. Therefore, they were always hungry. Now look at the second question. Who gave the utmost anxiety to his parents? अपने वालदैन के लिए किसने अपने वालदैन को सख्त परेशानी दे रखी थी? The youngest son gave the utmost anxiety to his parents. Now look at the question number 3. Why was the youngest son called मिर्चू? सबसे छोटे लड़के को, सबसे छोटे बेटे को मिर्चू क्यों कहा जाता था? As we have read in the translation, in the very starting paragraphs, that he was born the size of a pepper, therefore he was called Mirchu. Now look at question number 4. What did the mother wish when she was so full of sorrow? जब माँ का दिल गम से भरा हुआ था, इसने इस वक्त किस बात की ख्वाहिश की? So the answer will be, she wished she had only 3 children instead of 7. They could have been fed well and brought up nicely. Now we move towards the next one question. Question number 5. What did Mirchu fill his pockets with? Mirchu filled his pockets with small white stones. Question number 6. What did Mirchu's mother tell him in the morning? मिर्चू की माँ ने उसे सुबह क्या बताया? She told him that they all were going to the forest. Now look at question number 7. Why did the boys forget their hunger? लड़के अपनी भूख को क्यों भूल गए? The boys were so excited. As students, we have come to know from this paragraph. The boys were so excited to go to the forest that they completely forgot about their hunger. This is the answer of question number 7. Now look at question number 8. Why did the boys begin to weep bitterly? लड़कों ने ज़ारो कतार रोना क्यों शुरू कर दिया? When the boys come to know that their parents had gone, they began to weep bitterly. Now look at question number 9. Why did they have a feast in the woodcutter's cottage? लकड़हारे की झोंपड़ी में उन्होंने ज़ियाफ़त क्यों खाई? The woodcutter had got money and his sons had reached home safe and sound, so they had a feast in the woodcutter's cottage. This is the answer of question number 9. I hope so this comprehension is quite clear to you, and we will do the next one, remaining part of exercise in the next one lecture. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.